Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. A great certificate isn't just about recognition, it's about making a lasting impression. Today, we'll show you how to design stunning, personalized certificates using Google Slides, ready for automation with smart certificates. First, head over to Google Slides. You can start with a completely blank presentation for full creative freedom, or upload an existing design as a starting point, just like this VIP Pass template we're using. Remember to set your slide dimensions to match your desired certificate size, like a standard portrait orientation for an ID card. Now for the fun part. Design. Add your event title, company logo, and any static text that will appear on every certificate. Play with fonts, colors, and background elements to reflect your brand's identity. For example, we've replaced the placeholder image with a professional business logo. You can also use Google Slides' built-in stock images and shapes to create unique visuals. For example, changing the image to fit a round shape using the mask feature. This is the most important part for automation, adding placeholders. Wherever you want smart certificates to insert data from your Google form, you'll use special tags wrapped in double curly braces, like name or designation. These placeholders tell the add-on exactly where to merge information from your form responses. You can add as many as you need to capture all relevant details. Once your masterpiece is complete, ensure your Google Slides presentation is saved in your Google Drive. Smart certificates will directly access it from there. Download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, PPTX from Canva, and upload it to Google Drive. Now your beautifully designed template is ready to be linked with the Smart Certificates add-on in Google Forms. In our next video, we'll guide you through configuring the add-on settings to map your form questions to these placeholders. Explore our template gallery for inspiration or start designing your own today. Visit gwaddons.com for more.